Leadership involvement is also a cornerstone of effective awareness building. Leaders set the tone for organizational behavior and culture. When executives and managers actively participate in awareness initiatives, it reinforces their importance and encourages employees to follow suit. Leaders can conduct town hall meetings, share insights through personal messages, or champion specific awareness campaigns. Their visibility and commitment demonstrate that awareness is not just a program but a core organizational value. Organizations should also leverage technology and digital platforms to enhance awareness. Social media, intranet portals, webinars, and mobile applications can deliver timely information and facilitate interactive learning. For instance, real-time updates about policy changes or industry developments help employees stay informed. Digital tools also allow organizations to track engagement, gather feedback, and measure the effectiveness of awareness campaigns. By integrating technology into awareness strategies, organizations ensure that messages reach the right audience at the right time.